Hello everyone, and welcome to the second installment of 12 days of Christmas cleaning. For me, this is Christmas cleaning, but for you, whether this is for Christmas or just for regular cleaning motivation or for the end of the year or anything like that, let me know actually what your motivation is for watching this video. But for me, this is 12 days of deep cleaning where I take each day and deep clean a different part of my house. I don't actually have 12 rooms in my house to deep clean, so I'll be doing some organizing and decluttering as well. If you guys have not seen the first installment, make sure to check it out. And if you like these videos, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and consider liking this video. It really helps my channel out, both of those things. And I really do hope that you enjoy these cleaning motivation videos that I've been doing. I really just want to put all the good stuff in here and none of the fluff. That way you guys get as much motivation as possible. Make sure if you don't actually need bathroom cleaning motivation to check out some of the other videos that I've been uploading lately. I'm going to be going throughout my whole house.
A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right?
Question of the video, do you guys take your toilet seats completely off when you clean them, or do you clean around this or use something to get underneath if you cannot take them off?
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through.
Obviously, today is bathroom cleaning day for me, and this was one of those days where I just wanted to see the suds and know that everything was super deep clean. I'm using disinfectant wipes to dust as much as I can. I probably don't dust this window near as much as I should, but I am just in one of those moods where everything needs to be super, super clean as much as I can possibly get it, and that's probably partly nesting and partly just the deep cleaning that I've been doing lately. So in part of that sudsy mood, I am putting Dawn into my bathtub, and I'm going to be using baking soda as well. I normally use a little vinegar with this, but I dumped that bleach solution that I used on the brush and for the plunger. I dumped it into the bathtub, and I know that vinegar and bleach can make toxic fumes, and so I didn't want to worry about that. So I'm just going to use baking soda and Dawn, and it worked really, really well. I just got it a little bit wet, scrubbed it around, and it got everything so clean. I know sometimes Comet can kind of turn gray when you get it wet, but baking soda doesn't really, so you can tell that all of this is just the stuff in my tub that builds up from the water. We have really rough well water, and it's good to shower in, but it kind of has a little settlement if we have it in the tub.
We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let it
This was kind of a super satisfying task. It was probably the highlight of my cleaning day to see all of this come off and just rinse so clean.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret.
My son is potty training and he's doing really well. I had found this latrine that you kind of use like command strips or something to put on the wall, and I just have not been brave enough to let him try it yet. He only just turned 2 in October, so we're still using the toilet. Maybe once he gets used to the idea of actually using one, maybe then I'll try him on that little latrine and just have like a Velcro command strip system to take it off and empty it. I'm not sure yet. It looks like something fun for a little 2-year-old though.
Roaming in the wilderness, we don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone.
While we're in the bathroom, I just have a little tip for you guys, whether you're expecting guests or just need some more hot water for the winter months. Maybe you have a big tub like I do in my other bathroom. Either way, I usually turn up my water heater in the winter, or especially if I am expecting guests in a few days, I turn it up, and the hotter the water is, the less that you actually use, and so I find that is very helpful, especially right now. I just wanted to say that I am wearing a belly band to support my belly as it grows, and that is not just me poking through under my shirt there. Just in case any of you were wondering about that, I know that with it being kind of a bland color, it can be a little suspicious.
Happened to us, 'cause wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, look back at this, the summer night, the summer night, the summer night, oh yeah, the summer night, the summer night, oh, the summer night.
You're gone now.
Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day for this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next 10. This is just a sneak peek of the next one that I will be putting out tomorrow. Make sure you stay tuned for it, and I will see you there.
Know that once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me.